Joined this afternoon by Brad Clark from Microsoft. Brad, would you like to tell us a little bit about your role at Microsoft and what you do?
Yeah, thanks, Tim. And g'day to all the partners out there. So I'm Brad Clark. I've been at Microsoft for about 10 years now. And in my team, we manage the commercial distributors within Microsoft, and one of those partners being distributor.
Fantastic. So can you tell me a little bit about Microsoft's mission and how that impacts our distributor partners?
Yeah, so Microsoft's global mission, Tim, is to empower every individual to achieve more. But when we think about what that really means for our partner ecosystem, it's probably more important now than ever. With the impacts and the changing dynamics in our workforce at the moment, we need more partners to be focused on that mission and thinking about how they take the best of devices with modern security to secure those devices and productivity to be able to enable all the employees to continue to work from home safely. And if they do that and they do that well, then we also create the best of platforms in Azure for those partners to deliver their customers' favorite apps to continue to increase their productivity at home.
Brad, so can you explain to me, for a Microsoft-focused managed service provider, bearing in mind Microsoft's mission statement, how does that impact them? How does that impact our distributor partners?
You know, the whole notion of being a managed service provider is interesting to me, because I've been in this industry for over a decade now, and we're still talking about MSPs in the same general term. But the notion of a true-based cloud MSP has significantly changed. If you're going to be a modern partner where majority of your customers' apps, infrastructure, productivity and security is hosted in the cloud and online, to be a viable MSP in that space is vastly different. And so all the partners listening to today's conversation, I want them to think about how they're optimizing their operations as they bring more customers onto the cloud. Being that true cloud MSP is the journey that we're all on. And you know, I want to hear more from you, Tim, to think about, you know, when you think about your relationship, Dicadata's relationship with Microsoft, how would you describe it, and what value are you bringing to market?
Yeah, I think we've really sort of built that down to 3 pillars. And I think the first pillar is experience. And in the Microsoft team at Dicker, we have a huge amount of experience, which is really powerful. I think the second one is what we built our cloud service providers program on, and that's really is support. And whether that's around our 24/7 technical support line, or whether that's around the individual coaching that we do with partners. And then finally, it's about that go-to-market strategy. It's about understanding how to get those products to market quickly. But I think overall for me, it's really a key thing around enablement and how we're able to teach partners how to actually work with these products.
Yeah, I love that story, Tim, about that deal that we won. Yeah, that was a partner who was ready to go, right? They were costed out, ready to go, ready to update their customers' on-premise infrastructure. And so what really made that happen, through the great work of Dicadata for yourself, Tim, and other individuals from Microsoft, was we were able to prove the commercial viability of Azure. So my call out to all the partners out there, if you're about to update a customer's infrastructure, stop, take a moment, connect in with Dicadata, and just check, because there's a good chance it might be more viable for the customer and more profitable to move that infrastructure onto a cloud platform.